Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to actually do test automation using RestAssured for automating API tests using RestAssured and with Java. So I'm going to be using RESTful Booker, which is a free repository for APIs, free APIs that you can actually use to test. So I can just maybe use two endpoints. So maybe I can just start by creating a project. I'm using IntelliJ. So I'm just gonna create a project called, let's just say, Rest Assured Testing. I'm going to be using Java version 20. IntelliJ. I'm going to use jar files, not using Maven or Gradle. So I'm just going to create this project. So let me just create it. So close that one. So I'm just going to rename this or just delete it. So let me rename this class. Let me refactor it, rename it. I can rename it as API test. Yeah, so I'm going to first of all import my jar files, which have rest assured, but you can actually go to, if you want to download it yourself, you can go to repos usually is jar file repository, Maven repository, sorry, Maven repository. So I can come here and search for rest assured, and yeah, you can use this one. I think the latest one is June 2023, so you can just use this jar files. So the other dependent jar files, so I'm not going to talk all of them, but you can just find them in this Maven repository link. So I have already my jar files, so I'm just going to go to File, Project Structure, Modules. I'm going to import jar file that I'll be using. So my jar files are under, I think they're here. Sorry. So these are my Java jar files. So I've already downloaded them. So I'll just select them. Sorry. Let me just use Shift. So open, apply. Okay. Let me see if I've missed anything. So I'll need also the TestNG, since I'll be running them using TestNG. So I'll just apply that. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to import the rest assured. So let me just go import .io.RestAssured.response. I need to do that one as well. Import io.RestAssured. I'm going to use the RestAssured. Yeah, and also I'm going to import for TestNG. So since I'll be using TestNG for this automation, TestNG dot annotations, since I'm using annotations. So seems it doesn't recognize TestNG. So let me go to project structure. I think I put TestNG. It's right there. Let me see. Oh, sorry. Not. I think not for I. It's supposed to be org. Yep. So this I'm going to build in this class. So just delete this. Hello world. Since I'll be using APIs and I need to use a given. I need to use given. So given mostly is used to where like you need to put your headers, your body. So I'll import io RestAssured given this needs to be static. All right. Cool. So first of all, I need to set the setup method. So I can use before I run, so that I can set up the base URL. So I use the setup method to set up the base URL. So the base URL should be this one, RestfulBooker.herokuapp.com/booking. So let me just set let me use the before class method. So to run before the class. This is annotations for TestNG. Oh, it has imported it. Right. So let me just setup method. So here I can set the base URL. So it's RestAssured dot base URL, not basic dot base URL equals to let me copy this. So I've set the base URL. So that's the notation for the before class method. So I can write now another class for another method for like calling the create booking endpoint. So I'll just write test so I can say test create booking then I'll need to pass in the request body. So I can say request body equals to, let me see, this one has a request body, so it has the first name, last name. So this should be a string. So I can say string request body. Now to set up the request body. So curly brackets. So first of all is the first name. So the first name, let me use this one, the one they're using. First name, Jim, check-in. So should be first name, so that I'll use. First name. First name. So please that one. So the first time I can say Jim. So Jim. And they want the last name. Last name. So let's say Brown. So I've already completed all the required the request body. So after that, so this is like the request body. So let me just comment that. Say request body. Now I need to send. This is a post request, so just comment that send post request. Can come here. So you need to say response. Response equals to given. You need the header. Given the, do we have a header? Yeah, we have header. Given header content type, so the header is content type. Content type it's a content type, and it's application JSON. So application stroke JSON. Sorry, it's supposed to be dot, yeah, dot header, another header. So it's accept and the value is application JSON. Then I think that's it, and now this is a post request, so just say dot post, then you give the path. The path is booking, so the path is booking, so I can just booking, then finish with that. So as you can see, the path is booking. I've already set the base URL, which is this, then the path is booking. So that's how you call that endpoint. So I can just do a simple assertion. So I'll just assert. So I'll just do an assertion. Let me assert the response status code. So I expect this to be a 200. So I'll just use assert equals. I can say the response dot get status code. So let me see if it's here. Yeah, get status code. Then it should be 200. 200. So it expects this response to be 200. So I can just think that's fine. So let me try running this and see the result. So getting, I need SJ5. So it's a jar file I haven't installed. So let me go to file, close project structure, go to my jar files, and my Java jar. So it needs SJ5. I think it's in the Selenium, usually used in Selenium. So I don't have it here, so I'll just go to, let's cancel that, go to let me copy that to Maven repository, copy that. So I'll just pick this version, get the jar file, downloads. So I can come here again to my project structure, add it from my downloads, this one, open, apply, okay. So let me run it again. Yep, it's now running. So it's using TestNG. So let me see. So so it expected 200, but it got a 500. So what could be the issue? so it could be an issue with that endpoint. So let me find what did I do wrong actually. So send the request body. Let me see. So it should be a success. HTTPS, that's as a base URL. It's a post request. Check. So let me see this. So it was expected but good at 500. So I passed in the request body. Let me see if I passed in the request body. Yeah, so it seems I didn't pass the body, that's why. So I can say dot body, which is the requests body. Yep, so let me run this again. Yep, as you can see, my test passed. So basically this is how you can use RestAssured to test your APIs. So you can add more assertions. You can add more assertions later on, but this is basically how you do it. Yeah, let me run it again to tell you what the test has passed. Yep, so yeah, that's it. So you can subscribe, guys. Thank you.